2017 winners of the ladies finals.
Among other things, we needed a boat. And this was a funny boat. And it was long and it was skinny, and they called it a
On June 16th, Peterborough's Little Lake will be the scene of a special event to raise money for various charities, including the Breast Assessment Centre. It's called A Day on the Water and will feature canoe races and a dragon boat challenge. 40 teams will race the 20-person dragon boats.
Really inspired this community, and they've basically turned this city into a festival that is celebrated what can be done when a group of people get together, when they have passion.
As in the past, all the money raised during the festival stays in the area to help purchase diagnostic equipment for the Regional Hospital's Breast Assessment Centre.
Along with raising awareness to breast cancer, the festival also raises much needed money.
Everyone's racing here to raise funds for equipment for the breast cancer screening clinic here at the Peterborough Regional Health Centre. It's what we started doing. The committee is an offshoot of their Survivors Breast Dragon Boat team, and that's what we've been doing. We've been focusing on that issue from day one.
This is a tremendously large fundraiser for a single day, and that people continue every year to support it at the same level is a wonderful testament to this community and how much they care about the health of our friends and family.
It's something that everybody can do. You don't need a lot of experience. It's a great team building for...
Our committee has been active now almost since the day after last year's festival, making preparations. On the day of the event, about 150 volunteers.